The curls, the hair, the hoops, the shirt, the necklaces, me. Hold up, wait a minute, Klaiyi wanna step up in it. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by Klaiyi Hair. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. Thumbs up. Okay, I bought you another one so y'all can stop waiting. Now, before we get into this pre-cut, pre-plucked, affordable closure unit that's beginner friendly, that I'm also rocking Glueless. Yes, yes. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Klaiyi Hair. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. Now, this is the second time that I'm trying a pre-cut, pre-plucked wig. So we're gonna see what Klaiyi hitting for, because y'all know Klaiyi's more of a fast fashion type of brand. Okay, no shade. They normally just hop on a trend real quick to give you a little spice, a little something to, you know, get you a little razzle, and not much else. The dazzle does not follow. Okay, so we're gonna see if this is gonna have a little razzle dazzle or just a little razzle today. Y'all saw how it looked on me out the pack, and I must say I'm not disappointed yet. Even the pre-pluckness is, you know, it's all right. I may need to cut a little bit of lace off of mine just because things that I learned in my previous pre-cut, pre-pluck wig, I don't think I need as much lace on the front of mine. They cut it about a ½ an inch in front of the hairline. Now, if the lace is thin enough, you can blend that down and be just fine. But Klaiyi normally has like that transparent basic lace. You normally got to use your products to blend down. So we're gonna see right now. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it down with my Mocha 360 once I find it. This is makeup. If you don't want to use makeup, you can use an actual lace tint spray, but I don't use that because it's too messy for me. I'm gonna put a lot on that joint because like I said, it was very ashy on me when I put her on, like so. Let's put it up in that parting space like that. If you are new to wigs or just don't want to do a whole bunch of work, these are the wigs for you. Mine did come with the elastic band already in my wig, and it also comes with the nape grip in the back, this little silicone joint right here. So in case the elastic band is too much for your head or you don't like wearing it all the time, you can definitely still wear this wig glueless and not have any slippage around your nape because you have that silicone nape grip back there. Before I put this joint on my head, I'm gonna give it a little whole bath, okay, because this joint is it is funky, okay, but that is not new to Klaiyi. Their wigs always stink. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray her down really quick because I don't feel like washing her. I've been doing so good, y'all, washing my wigs with my little products. I just don't feel like it today because it takes me a little bit longer to dry it down when I do wash the wig. So I just want to go ahead and just get the wig going, okay? So a dry shampoo first, then spray it down with some water. Pat that all in. And again, this is a quickie, okay? It's a whole bath. So make sure you go ahead and wash your wig regardless of what I'm saying in this video. Wash your wig immediately. Now, before you say anything about your curls looking different than mine, it's gonna look different if you wash your wig because the curls are a lot juicier because you're detangling the wig prior to you styling it. I'm pretty much doing it with y'all now. So I probably will have shedding with my wig, but you'll probably get your shedding when you go in for the initial wash. Hold on. This cap does run, I would say based on how it's fitting on my sides, it's definitely more big hit associate. How you doing? How I'm gonna rock this wig? I ain't too worried about that because my sides are gonna be down anyway. It's still fitting down big head friendly as far as the comfort. Like I said, I may need to cut some of my lace off. I'm not gonna cut it right now. I'm gonna use it to my advantage when I go in and swirl this joint. Look what I got. Okay, I got the Nairobi Mousse. I ordered a new one and it came back with the regular nozzle. Thank you. This little nozzle right here was giving me the business. Okay, it was getting on my nerves, but they came back with the regular joint. The square tip, yeah. Y'all be watching my videos. Let's go ahead and get that initial pump out like that. Ooh, it's so much better. It's so much better. I do want to swirl these around, and yes, some of the makeup that I used on this hairline will come off because this mousse does have water in it. Okay, I'm only working with a little bit, so I'm already done. Go ahead and get the, do they use headbands? I don't think they do. Y'all were listening to me too. Where is my brush? I'm gonna do it in 2 sections. Spray a little bit more water just to make sure it'll work through the product a lot easier. I'll probably get more tangling with my wig right now because I did not detangle it during the co-wash process because I did not co-wash the wig. I'm just warning you in advance. That's what I'm doing. Work it from the ends. So far, so good. Okay, got some snags right there. But I think if I put a little bit more product on that, it'll help it. Also, because I did not wash the hair prior to this step, I will need to use a lot more product than if I wash the hair because the hair is pretty much dry. Work it through like that. This jerry curl texture is pretty nice. I will need to clump the curls though. Do I need to cut my ends? I don't think I do. Who is vacuuming right now? I am getting some shedding while I'm doing the clumping process. Make sure I clump the root. Let me do this side really quick. This is going by pretty fast because again, most of the work is already done for you. Oh, I didn't put no water on the side. Let me just go over it. Pretty sure this is your 150% density. If I'm incorrect though, the correct information for this wig will always be in the description box. I know sometimes it may be incorrect in the video just because of a miscommunication between me and the brands. I just want you always to check the description box for the correct information in case I am wrong in the video. Clump these together. From the start of this video, it's only been 15 minutes and 11 seconds. And the only reason it's been that long is because I've been running my mouth. So there you go, clump the roots. The roots on this wig are straight. I don't know how big I'm gonna be able to get this hair, but we're gonna see. All right, so the hair is pretty much dried down. Because it dried with the mousse, it will look a little crunchy and be a little crunchy to the touch. And again, that is because I did not use a water base, meaning washing my hair prior to putting the mousse on the hair. So in order to break up the crunchiness, I need to use my pick and my blow dryer on high heat to break up that product. You can also use these steps if you don't have a diffuser. If you let your hair air dry, it will more than likely air dry like this. Even if you wash the wig and then put the mousse on it, it will still air dry crunchy because of the products and it not having no heat to kind of break the products up. First, we're going to take the pick and I'm going to pick it from the root. I'm going to kind of fluff the hair up a little bit more. It's working like a charm. Got to get down under the wig a little bit, fluff it up with my fingers. See the difference already? This side compared to this side. Use your pick. The diffuser helps to keep your curls intact and makes it bigger, and the pick kind of rounds it out and gives it a bit more lift. If you don't have a pick but you have a wide tooth comb, use that to kind of fluff your curls as much as possible. You can even use, last resort, a rat tail comb. Just go very easy and tease the hair up like this to get it to fluff up and get a little bit fuller. But not too much with that because those teeth are a lot closer together, so it will strip your curls and make them frizzier than you want them to be. Shake it up a little bit. Now I'm going to take my diffuser off of the blow dryer, turn the blow dryer on warm and high to break up a little bit more of that product. Let's fluff it up a little bit more. I'm not really seeing a bunch of layers in this wig, so I'm kind of fluffing it to give it the shape that I want. Now I'm going to use it on high and cool to finish out the fluffing process. Let's take off the elastic band on my earring. Ooh. I'm just gonna brush those to the side. I'm not gonna do too much with that side because that side is pretty much perfect. I'm gonna kind of leave that how it is because it's looking pretty good in my opinion, so I don't wanna do too much with that. I don't mind the hair getting frizzy. It looks a little bit more lived in for me. All right, make sure my hair is as big as I can get it. You can definitely see my my wig cap in there. If I can use my Topic, kind of fix that a little bit. Kind of fill that in, maybe. If I had my black eyeshadow powder, I could use that, but I can't find that, and I don't got time. Klaiyi, y'all really turned it around for your girl. I have no issues with this wig whatsoever. Now you can see right here on this outside part, y'all see this hair? From that little outside part, that's that 150% density. So the fullness of your wig should look just like this when you go in to style your wig. Klaiyi, let's go ahead and make sure they don't have no issues, okay? And y'all, this is a 4 inches to the back by 6.75 inches to the side. What is that, 6 3/4? Public math, quiet. I'm not gonna tell you which one to get between this one and the other one, okay? This curl is a Jerry curly texture, whereas the other one that I tried is a Mongolian kinky curly. That curl texture is a lot softer and fluffier than this texture, but you can still get a similar look with this one for the same price. And I mean the same price when you use the discount code, okay? It's 30%, so jump on it, okay? Quickly. I do wish there was some more layers in this wig, but the other one didn't have layers either, so I ain't gonna hold you, Klaiyi. The hair still moves really nicely. The lace off the pack y'all saw was a little ashy, but it did take my products really well, and they did give me a workable hairline that wasn't too shabby. But I can already tell when I step outside, I'm gonna see that lace. So if you want a little bit more meltage and seamlessness, make sure you go ahead and spray your lace down or use a darker powder or contour color to blend your lace in. I think if you get it as a beginner, you can definitely work this one for yourself. You don't gotta cut no lace, you don't gotta pluck no hairline. You just gotta wash and define your curls and you'll be just fine, okay? Now I want you to hear me and hear me good. These pre-cut joints are gonna be the wigs of the summer, maybe even the year. They're so much easier than dealing with a whole bunch of lace. Not everybody wants lace caked up around their face. I know I don't. Now if I wanna close it up a little bit, give me a little look like that, I can definitely do that. All right, Klaiyi, you came with the dazzle. You did it. The curls, the hair, the hoops, the shirt, the necklaces, me. I've been held up in the house a little bit, so it's time for me to step on out. Let me go get the mail real quick. Shout out one more time to Klaiyi here for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.